Now, right at the top, we have some breaking news coming in. This is coming in from the state of Maharashtra, where we're seeing protests take place between the MVA and the Mahayuti. Now, for the opposition, it is the Jute Maro movement in Maharashtra that's taking place today. The opposition is out on the streets to protest against the collapse of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's statue. Major leaders, including the Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray, the NCP SP president Sharad Pawar, and the Congress state president Nana Patole will be taking part.
जनता के भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंची, इसलिए हम आंदोलन करना चाहते हैं और आंदोलन हमारा होगा। सरकार परमिशन दे नहीं दे, क्योंकि इसका प्रायश्चित सरकार को लेना चाहिए। इसलिए आज हमने सरकार को जोड़ो मारो आंदोलन हम शुरू कर रहे हैं। जनता में यही मैसेज जाएगा कि महाराज का पुतला गिरने के बाद भी बीजेपी आंदोलन करके आरोपियों को बचाना चाहती है। ये जो सरकार को जो गलती है उसको छुपाना चाहती है, यही मैसेज जाएगा।
And it's not just this. The BJP has also launched a counter protest against the MVA over the same issue. The BJP leaders will be protesting at multiple locations. Here's a ground report from.
With the fall of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja's statue, the controversy and protests around it seems never ending. Today, the state of Maharashtra will be witnessing two major protests. One by the Mahavikas Aghadi, that is opposition. Meanwhile, the other will be organized by the BJP. As you can see, we at moment are present at Dadar location, wherein heavy police deployment is seen. And is such deployment being done? It is because of this protest, which has been planned out by BJP, which will be planned not only in one location but multiple locations around 9 locations of Maharashtra, where the protest will be conducted by the BJP and its alliance. This stands in opposition of what the Mahavikas Aghadi claims are. It is considered to be an anti-protest which has been planned by BJP to counter the allegations, the charges, what is being labelled by the BJP. As you can see, Killa, a fort has been constructed of resembling Shivaji Maharaj. The cultural folk song narrating Shivaji Maharaj's history is being planned out here. And Karyakartas, the party workers, are present here with various posters and banners directly targeting the Mahavikas Aghadi senior leadership, be it Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar or Nana Patole or Aditya Thackeray. So this protest is not merely limited to just one location, but around 9 locations, wherein top leadership of Maharashtra BJP will be protesting against the narrative of Mahavikas Aghadi. Meanwhile, Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister and also the Home Minister of Maharashtra, has ruled out allegations of the Mahavikas Aghadi and has called it a politically motivated protest where Shivaji Maharaja's statue is being misused by the opposition, giving importance of the upcoming assembly elections. But what seems like the fueling protest, which is on continuous rise, even after PM Modi tenders his apology, it seems like the opposition will be using their hard punches, using this matter, getting among the public of Maharashtra ahead of the assembly election.
All right, now to get more, crossing over to my colleague Abhishek, who joins us live. He's in Mumbai getting ground details. Abhishek, how impacted are the streets of Mumbai at this point with protest versus protest? Abhishek, if you can hear us amid all of the noise from the protests, can you take us through what's taking place around you with the protests, what the slogans are which are being chanted, what the political leaders are really saying and demanding?
Definitely present right here at Hutatma Chowk. I would tell my cameraman to show you. These are the MVA party workers who have gathered here in huge number, and they are protesting against the collapse of Chhatrapati Shivaji statue at Mahaval. And these are the protesters from the Shiv Sena of Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray, the NCP of Sharad Pawar and the Congress party. You know, though they have been told that the permission is not been given for them to protest, they are gathering here at the Hutatma Chowk, and let's try and speak to them and understand what is the, why is the reason. क्या कहेंगे, हिंदी में जानना चाहते हैं. यहाँ पर आए हैं, आक्रोश सबके मन में है और प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे?
आज जो महाविकास आघाड़ी की तरफ से जो आंदोलन किया गया है, आज आप देख रहे हैं कि छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का जो राजकोट में पुतला बिठाया गया था, उसमें कितना बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार हो गया. जिन छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के नाम से ये लोग चुनाव में वोट मांगते, लेकिन राजनीति के टाइम सिर्फ इन लोग को छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की याद आती है, लेकिन उनका जब भी पुतला बनाते तभी उसमें कितना भ्रष्टाचार है, ये आपने देखा होगा राजकोट में. और आप देख रहे हैं कि आज महाराष्ट्र में कौन सी भी महिला सुरक्षित नहीं है. आज आए दिन आप देख रहे हैं कितने बलात्कार हो रहे. आज बदलापुर में जो भी घटना, उसके बाद भी आज देख लगातार आप अखबार पढ़ो कि रोज ही आ रहे कि इधर बलात्कार हुआ. लेकिन ये जो गृह मंत्री है देवेंद्र जी फडणवीस, वो नाकाम हुए गृह मंत्री पद संभालने के लिए.
कहा जा रहा है आप लोगों को परमिशन नहीं दी जा रही है, परमिशन दी जा रही है क्या? हाँ, you can see in the frame Sharad Pawar, the chief of NCP party, is reaching at the spot, clearly visible in the frames. You know, Mr. Sharad Pawar right in the frame, coming here to be part of this massive protest. Party workers from all the three parties, NCP of Sharad Pawar, Shiv Sena of Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray and the Congress party have united here and jointly protesting against the Mahayuti government in the state. These are the visuals. Sharad Pawar right here. We have with us, in fact, Mahesh Tapase, Sharad Pawar right here, who came here for, clearly, you can see Mr. Sharad Pawar come here to pay his tribute to the at Hutatma Chowk. You know, this is the massive protest being planned out here, and here clearly Mr. Sharad Pawar of the NCP is and going to pay tribute to the Hutatma Chowk. And they have been denied the permission. The plan of the protest march was from Hutatma Chowk to Gateway of India. They have been denied permission. Clearly, in the visuals, you can see Mr. Sharad Pawar going to the Hutatma Chowk to pay tribute to those who sacrificed their life to maintain a united Maharashtra. This is the statue of all those martyrs who sacrificed their life for united Maharashtra. Clearly, it is visible in the frame. So this is the situation, you know, clearly you can understand they have been denied permission, but all the tall leaders, including Sharad Pawar, have come here and they are planning a massive protest march from Hutatma Chowk to the Gateway of India. Back to you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us, getting us those visuals of what's taking place on the ground at Hutatma Chowk itself. A very important key point that you've also brought us is the fact that the permission for this protest march has been denied. Now, we'll continue to track the developments here. Abhishek, thank you so much for joining us, getting us more on this. Right now,